Thanks for signing up. You are going to absolutely love this one-page Whole Boss business plan. A whole boss sets up their business so that it's scalable, leveraged, and impactful, meaning your business can grow and become more profitable without a negative impact on the quality of your services, your time freedom, or your health and happiness. In this quick tutorial, I will show you the components of this plan and also how to complete it online and save it digitally. This business plan is separated into two parts. You can download it here. It's separated into two parts: a you-centered business with client-centered products and services. Your business should be a reflection of your true desires, your highest passions, your best talents, and it should make room for the other things that are most important in your life. So in this section, we will focus on you. Who are you? List your passions, desires, experience, expertise, talents, etc. How do you want to serve? What business model will you choose? Your business model is how you want to set up and run your business, and this is going to be based on your personality, your goals, and desires, as well as your client's needs. I've listed several options: one-on-one coaching, online courses, etc. But I would say the best business for someone who wants to be a whole boss and have more control of their time, freedom, and to leverage their business are online courses, group coaching, etc. like that. Next, who do you want to serve? Who is your ideal client? Describe them. What type of people do you want to work with or feel you can best serve from your training and experiences, and also that you enjoy working with? Where do they hang out, etc. You put that in that section. How much do you want to make? What is your revenue goal for the year? This is based on your financial obligations, the cost of running your business, and financial goals. Knowing this number will also help you know how much to charge, how many clients you need to get to reach your goals, etc. What is your time goal? How many hours do you want to work per week that you can realistically take care of your clients and still have time to take excellent care of yourself, spend time with the ones you love, doing the things that you love? Managing your time is very important as a whole boss. That's why it's critical to make your business as scalable and leveraged as possible. Again, meaning your business can grow and become more profitable without the quality of your services, your time freedom, or your health and happiness suffering. And the next part of the business plan is your client-centered services. How will you serve your ideal clients? Because a successful business is not just about you. It's the sweet spot between getting your needs met and meeting the needs of your clients. Your business success greatly depends on getting and keeping clients. You want your products and service to be something that solves the problems that are keeping them up at night. That's why we get clear on that right here. What are your ideal clients' biggest fears, questions, struggles that you can solve based on your knowledge, experiences, and expertise? Your products should be speaking to that biggest problem. How can you help them solve their problems? Create offers that can grow with your clients. That's why I included a low, main, and high-end offer here. But really, if you don't want to think about all of that for now, you can just focus on creating your main product and a valuable freebie that can lead to it. Lastly, what type of content can you create to attract your ideal clients, and how will you reach them? You can do a blog, video, podcast, etc. Choose the content form that brings you joy and highlights your natural talents. Video is awesome, but if you feel overly awkward doing them and it's not reaching your ideal audience, you may need to do something else. Instead, do a podcast or a blog, but find a way to make it connect with your people. Also, in thinking about the content you want to create, what content would you put in your emails, etc.? What social media platforms will you focus on? A clue: the answer isn't all. I suggest that you focus on one or maybe two. And you pick that platform by focusing on where your ideal client is hanging out, and you figured that out in the who do you want to serve section. Because that's where you describe them and where they hang out. That's where you want to spend most of your time to reach your ideal clients. So that is basically it. I just wanted to show you how to save this completed business plan before I go. This is a fillable PDF. See, you could type in here. And in order to save your answers on this form and on your computer, you must click print instead of save, and change the destination from your printer to save as a PDF. It's already here on mine, but if it was on my printer, then I would just click that and put save as a PDF. Enter a name for a document after you click save. It already comes up as Whole Boss one-page business plan, and then you would just click save. I'm gonna click cancel. Okay. That is it. And you click save. If you click download instead of print, only the blank form will save without your answers. That is all. If you have any trouble, then just contact us at support@wholeboss.com at the bottom of this page right here. And don't forget to join us in the Facebook group here. Peace. See you next time.